Check here, got this cutlass. It turned out to be a cheapy cutlass. This is the handle. What the manufacturer did is used aluminum rivets. While they fit nicely into the wood, they do not into here. I mean, this is ridiculous. So of course the handle starts to shake. So what I've done is cut some nice steel pieces. This is from all those lovely shafts I got from all those printers and other devices. This one fits just about in, and the other two is a little small, so I'm going to drill them out, drill out the wood to match this, and then we're going to epoxy this. Put some epoxy on this side, put some epoxy in the holes and these holes, and just basically tap everything together, clamp it, and hopefully best. Should work okay enough. Better than those stupid aluminum things. I don't understand how anybody could think undersized aluminum rivets inside, a steel handle is ever going to stay good for any length of time. In fact, I don't think they believe it will stay good for any length of time. I think it was just done extremely cheaply for sale and then screw you over after. And then actually I just remembered before the last one, so this is how it looks before, this is how it looks after. I'm going to polish it a little bit so it will look a little bit prettier like this. But yeah, beyond that, yeah, white on this one, this purple. There's a space there. I'm probably going to fill that with some red just for the heck of it. And on the other side, I've already cut those. Some white and purple mixed in. Sand a little bit better just to get it, looking a little neat. And yeah, that will be the end finished product. Look at the red epoxy before I actually grind it off. And it will now become a mixture of red, purple and white. Well, this is the finished item. You can see little specks of red in there. It's all smooth. Doesn't look it, but it is. It's actually quite smooth. This one's a little roughish. This is pretty smooth. There's a little rough. Maybe I just pass back here a little. And then the other side of it, again, a hint of red in the white, a hint of red here, and then a little ball of red there. So you have white, purplish, and a ball. So yeah, not bad. A little rough here again. That's probably the epoxy, but it's all nice and smooth. I've run this over with I believe it's 400, so it's pretty smooth.